Today, we're exploring the best monitors for university students, focusing on features, benefits, prices, and user feedback. We'll explore the top picks for enhancing both your academic and leisure time efficiently. And for your convenience, all products mentioned in this video are linked down in the description of this video. And with that in mind, let's get started. First up is the SANSUI monitor priced at $76. This monitor features a 22-inch screen with a full high-definition resolution that provides clear and vibrant images, making it easier to manage documents and media content. With a 75 refresh rate, this monitor offers smooth transitions that are gentle on the eyes, which is crucial during long study sessions. It includes technology designed to reduce glare and flicker, protecting your eyes from strain. The design allows for tilting the screen from -5 to +15 degrees, offering flexibility to adjust to your comfort level. Additionally, the screen boasts a wide viewing angle, making it possible to view from different positions without losing image quality. This monitor includes an HDMI cable and has ports for both HDMI and VGA, making it easy to connect to various devices. While the price point is very appealing, some users have reported reliability issues like the monitor turning off unexpectedly. Despite its high initial ratings, this feedback suggests that while affordable, it may come with some trade-offs in durability. Second on the list is the Acer home office monitor, which you can get for $126. This monitor steps up with a 23.8-inch full high-definition screen that offers a zero-frame design. This means the bezels are incredibly thin, allowing for more screen space, which is fantastic for multitasking with multiple windows. The display provides wide viewing angles, ensuring that colors remain consistent no matter where you sit. It's designed specifically for business use, so it works perfectly for anyone dealing with lots of documents or spreadsheets. The response time is 4 milliseconds and the refresh rate is 60 Hz, adequate for most educational and professional tasks. Now, while the monitor is praised for its display clarity and crispness, it does lack built-in speakers, and some users found the power-up process confusing due to its unintuitive controls. Overall, it's a solid choice for students who need a reliable monitor for their studies and can appreciate a large, clear display without needing high-performance gaming features. The third choice is the Dell LED-Backlit monitor, retailing at $150. This Dell monitor is known for its stylish design and practical features. It has a 24-inch screen with a thin profile and a small base, which frees up desk space, a significant advantage in often cramped student accommodations. The screen is covered with an anti-glare hard coating, which reduces eye strain during prolonged use. The monitor offers a full high-definition resolution at a 60 Hz refresh rate, which is suitable for various tasks from writing papers to watching videos. It includes a comfort view feature that minimizes blue light emission, further protecting your eyes during those late night study sessions. Additionally, the bezel is ultra thin on 3 sides, optimizing the viewing area and making it ideal for dual monitor setups without awkward gaps. Users report high satisfaction with the ergonomic stand that allows for extensive adjustability, although some have noted that the display quality could be enhanced, mentioning issues like color ghosting under certain conditions. However, the integrated USB hub is a well-appreciated feature, adding convenience for plugging in devices directly to the monitor. Fourth, we have the ASUS ProArt display priced at $176. This monitor stands out for those involved in creative and graphic tasks. The 24.1-inch screen offers a wider, ultra-extended graphics array resolution, which delivers more screen real estate compared to standard full high definition. It boasts a 100% sRGB color gamut, meaning it can display a wide range of colors precisely, which is vital for tasks that require color accuracy like digital art or photo editing. This monitor is Kalman verified, ensuring the true-to-life color precision that professionals seek. Its ergonomic design includes tilt, swivel, and height adjustments, making it comfortable for long hours of work. Although this ASUS monitor excels in display and color accuracy, it lacks modern connectivity options like a USB-C port, which could be a deal breaker for those with newer laptops that favor this connection type. Despite this, for students in design-related fields, the benefits of precise color and clarity might outweigh the connectivity drawbacks. Finally, the LG UltraWide Monitor is available for $199. This monitor is particularly suited for students who need to work with multiple applications simultaneously. It features a 29 ultra-wide screen with a full high-definition resolution that effectively offers the workspace of two standard monitors side by side. This can be a game changer for managing extensive research, large spreadsheets, or multiple open texts. It also supports high dynamic range content, enhancing the quality of videos and images with better contrast and color detail. This model is compatible with AMD FreeSync, which reduces screen tearing and stuttering for a smoother visual experience, beneficial when watching lectures or even enjoying multimedia content. The physical design includes a tilt adjustment but lacks height adjustments, which some users found limiting. However, the overall feedback is highly positive, especially from users who appreciate the expansive screen area and vivid display quality at a reasonable price point. So each of these monitors has its strengths and weaknesses, but all are designed to cater to different needs and preferences of university students, balancing performance, ergonomics, and budget. Whether it's for writing essays, conducting research, or enjoying multimedia content, choosing the right monitor can significantly impact your academic and personal computing experience. And don't forget that all products mentioned in this video are linked down in the description of this video. Hope you found this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time.